Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert send currency symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to insert the send currency symbol on your WPS presentation mobile is going to show in this video. So to insert the send currency symbol, just do this. So first of all, there is no insert symbol option present on your WPS presentation on your mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here, just using Google Keyboard or Gboard, you can just download it from the Play Store. So after opening the keyboard, you have the option of number, clicking the number section first. Then you just need to long press on the dollar symbol, which opens this. You will have this pop-up here. You can find the send currency symbol. This is the one way that you can just insert the send currency symbol on your WPS presentation. Otherwise, click on the symbol option again, and here also you have the send currency symbol. This is the second way. These are the two ways that you can just insert the send currency symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.